Hello, this is Bonnie from Guangdong Seal Package. Today, I would like to show you one of our stand-up pouch, the matte finish aluminum stand-up pouch. As you can see, for this series, we have total 9 colors for choose: the purple, green, white, red, pink, gold, yellow, blue for choose. And also, this thickness will be 160 micron, and the material will be aluminum coating composite PET and PE. This pouch can be sealed by zipper and sealed by sewing machine, and both sides have easy tear which can better open it and close. This pouch size will be 16 by 24 by 4 cm. So let's see how many products can this size can pack. For rice can pack 500 grams. For pet food can pack 300 grams. For powder can pack 500 grams. For coffee bean can pack 200 grams. For candy can pack 115 to 200 grams. For seeds can pack 200 grams. For nuts can pack 115 to 200 grams. For beans can pack 500 grams. For peanuts can pack 200 grams. We have over thousands of pouch style and with multi-size for choose. All our pouch have stock which can ship out within 3 days. Contact us now for furthers. Thank you. Bye bye.